Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy evening ma. Today May 13th current affairs. PM Modi announces a special economic package worth 20 lakh crore to kickstart the economy due to coronavirus pandemic. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced a special economic package worth 20 lakh crore rupees. This is equivalent to almost 10% of India's GDP. For an Atmanirbhar Bharat or a self-reliant India, saying that self-reliance is the only way to ensure that 21st century belongs to India. So he also stated India's self-reliance will be based on 5 pillars: economy, infrastructure, system, that is a technology-driven system, demography, that is vibrant demography, and demand. The Prime Minister also stated to give importance to products manufactured in India and request all to buy products of India and requested all to buy products of India. India gets a $1 billion loan from BRICS New Development Bank to fight against COVID-19. The New Development Bank of the BRICS countries has fully disbursed $1 billion emergency assistance loan to India to help it contain the spread of COVID-19 and reduce human, social and economic losses caused by the coronavirus pandemic. The Shanghai-based New Development Bank NDB was established by the BRICS. What is BRICS, ma'am? 5 countries: Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. So established by the BRICS countries in 2014. New Development Bank headquarters Shanghai, China. President KV Kamath, founded on 15th July 2014. Consumer Affairs Department partners with 2 startups to power Suraksha Store initiative. The Department of Consumer Affairs has partnered with tech startups SafeJob and Seekify to use technology to prevent the spread of COVID-19 at the local Kirana store level. Ministry of Consumer Affairs Ram Vilas Paswan, his cabinet minister, constituency Bihar. Minister of State Dhanve Rao Saheb Dada Rao. Gujarat based MacPower unveils indigenous hot air seam sealing mission for PPE kits. So Rajkot based MacPower CNC is a computer numerical control, has produced the country's first indigenous hot air seam sealing mission that is used to manufacture PPE kits at the half the price of the imported ones. See this, half the price of the imported ones. The device is used to seal the seam of the personal protection equipment. That is what a PPE, personal protection equipment. So seal the seam of the kits so that viruses cannot penetrate from the small pores and infect the person. So Gujarat capital Gandhinagar, CM Vijay Rupani, Governor Acharya Devrat. J&K government has launched a portal for J&K people stranded in other parts of the country. Jammu and Kashmir government has launched a web portal jkmonitoring.nic.in to facilitate its residents stranded in other parts of the country. Jammu and Kashmir capitals Jammu in winter, Srinagar in summer. Lieutenant Governor Girish Chandra Murmu. Maharashtra government launches online OPD services for people during lockdown. So what is this online OPD services? The state launched online OPD called E-Sanjeevani OPD, outpatient department. OPD means outpatient department, to resolve difficulties faced by citizens in getting health checkups and counseling, as many private clinics are closed due to lockdown. To avail of E-Sanjeevani services, patients should visit the website esanjeevaniopd.in and seek expert advice which is free of cost. Maharashtra capital Mumbai, Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. MSME Ministry launches a Champions portal for addressing grievances of small units. We'll see what is the Champions portal, ma'am. Union Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises MSME has launched Champions, that is a creation and a harmonious application of modern processes for increasing the output and national strength portal. That is what a Champions portal, a technology driven control room cum management information system for addressing the grievances of smaller units in the country. Union Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, whom Nitin Gadkari, we say normally, right? Constituency, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Manoj Ahuja appointed as a new CBSE chief. Odisha cadre IAS Manoj Ahuja has been appointed the new chairman of the Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE. Ahuja will replace Anita Karwal as the chairman of the CBSE. CBSE headquarters New Delhi, India. Chairperson Sri Manoj Ahuja. Parent organization. This is from Ministry of Human Resource Development. Akhil Kumar re-inducted into NADA disciplinary panel. Former Commonwealth Games gold winning boxer Akhil Kumar has been re-inducted into National Anti-Doping Agencies. That is what NADA disciplinary panel. Akhil, Arjuna Award winning Olympian who is also serving as ACP in Gurugram, was formerly in the panel from 2017 to 2019. National Anti-Doping Agency CEO Naveen Agarwal, founded on 24th November 2005, headquarters New Delhi, India. China launches 2 satellites to test space-based communications technology. China successfully launched 2 satellites to test the space-based Internet of Things communications technology. The satellites Xingyun 2, 01 and 02 were launched by a KZ-1A carrier rocket from the Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center in northwest China. China capital Beijing, currency renminbi, President Xi Jinping. Kerala, the best performer state to bring down IMR to 7 and worst performer is MP with 48. National average is 32. What is all this, ma? Kerala has brought its infant mortality rate, that is infant death rate, to the single digit of 7 from 10, which is a previous one. According to the latest sample registration system, SRS bulletin, Kerala has achieved the UN's Sustainable Development Goals, SDG. Sustainable Development Goals are targeted at 8 for the year 2020. So the state's IMR for rural areas is 9 and for urban area it is 5. Best performance among smaller states, Nagaland and Mizoram with IMR, that is infant mortality rate, figures of 4 and 5 respectively. Best performer among UTs, Union Territories, Andaman Islands, IMR of 9. Remy D. Gregario, cyclist, was imposed a 4-year ban, that is till March 7th by UCI. So cyclist Remy D. Gregorio's doping case from the 2018 Paris-Nice has finally been concluded with the UCI, International Cycling Union, imposing a 4-year ban until March 7, 2022 for using a form of a banned blood boosting hormone, that is EPO, erythropoietin. International Cycling Union, UCI, headquarters Eigil, Switzerland. President David Lepartient. China won the inaugural FIDE Chess.com online Nations Cup. India finished at 5th rank. What is FIDE? Federation International de HS or World Chess Federation. FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup, which India will be hosting, has been rescheduled to February 17 to March 7th, 2021. FIFA Federation International Day Football Association. President Gianni Infantino, headquarters Zurich, Switzerland. Crime Patrol fame Shafiq Ansari passes away. Shafiq Ansari, who appeared in many episodes of Sony TV show Crime Patrol, passed away at the age of 52 after battling with cancer. Comedian Jerry Stiller, best known for his recurring role as George Costanza's father on TV's Seinfeld, has passed away. 28-year-old Shobushi, real name was Kiyotaka Sutek becomes first sumo wrestler to die of coronavirus, stated by Japan Sumo Association. So he was suffering from diabetes. Japan Sumo Association chairperson Hokutomi Nobuyoshi, founded on 28th December 1925. That's end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow.